considering your own experience living in a property affected by disrepair, what guidance or suggestions would you offer to other social tenants facing similar circumstances?
Get a solicitor on their case or seek legal advice. Get some sort of advice because nobody should be living this sort of way. None at all. Especially when you've got a health condition. Even if you don't have a health condition, you shouldn't be living in a mold and damp property because that can cost your life. So that is that.
If you are living in disrepair, you have reported it and your council or housing association won't fix it for you, you are entitled to be compensated and get the repairs done. Call us at Nicholson Jones Sutton Solicitors at 0800 954 1972 and we can help you.